How to get YT Music Premium. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, simply click on YT Music app. Once you click here you guys will see on down side right side upgrade. So simply click on that. Now here you guys will see try 1 month for zero. So when I click on that, I will simply add my card details etc. And once I do that and the payment was successful, it will deduct 0 rupees or $0 from me, and it will be free for 1 month. And once it completed, after that you guys can subscribe it for 349. It was like 1 USD each month, like 1 or 1.5 USD. So that's how you guys can upgrade UIT music or use YT premium music. Thanks for watching.